Hey guys, today we're going to draw Gengar from Pokemon. So grab a pen, a paper, I'll use my iPad, and let's start. We're going to do 2 diagonal lines, just like that. And then in those diagonal lines do a curved half oval shape on each one on the inside. And then a little black dot on each one for the inside of the eye. All right, now let's do a smiley face that goes all the way across like that underneath the eyes. And then another smiley face, which is gonna show his teeth. And with those teeth, we're gonna have one big tooth in the middle and then 2 lines on each side of it to create 2 more on each side. Okay, now he's pretty round, so we're gonna do a circle, but don't connect the whole circle. Just do a few lines like this, as if we're trying to figure out where we want to draw the circle. And then what we're going to do is at the bottom line, we'll draw this little bump for his tail. And then on the top 2 ones, we're going to do these spikes that come out on each side. And then right at the top, we'll join together with these few little spikes like this. All right, all we have left are his feet and arms. So off of those spikes, we'll go up with just these little Pokemon hands on both sides. Keep it really easy. And then his back leg is gonna just be a curve like that with the same little spikes for the feet, maybe a little curve down there. And then the other leg is gonna come out in front. So we'll draw this shape that connects right there with a little claw like that. All right, we've got him done. He's a pretty simple guy to draw. I hope you've had fun. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see my next videos, and I'll see you guys next time.